Hi, welcome to Trident Grand Residence, one of the best buildings in Beginning of JBR. We are here on a high floor on Trident Grand Residence, and I'm just opening the door to your new home. It is a lovely 3-bedroom apartment and 4 bathrooms. It is completely upgraded, updated, and ready for you. The view is breathtaking. As you can see, it is overlooking all Palm, Atlantis, skydive, Dubai, and the new view, Dubai Eye. The access to the beach is just 5 minutes. Just you go down and you go out. You have beautiful beaches of JBR on the feet of your apartment. This is the living section. You have the dining area, which is connecting to the kitchen. And it is an open kitchen, and the view even from the kitchen is just making you stay there. From the living area, we have access to the small balcony, which allows you to have, again, beautiful view and breathtaking sunset in the evening. From this side, you can see the marina. And beginning of the JBR allows you to have your own access down here, so you will not get in the congestion of JBR. You will have your own entrance and exit to this part of JBR. Atlantis, and people are jumping from their planes. The Meridian and every facilities of that is also here. We have our own tennis court here and pool, which I will show later. So we go back inside. Continue. Please follow me. And close the front door. So, we will start with the smallest bedroom. We call it kids' bedroom, or can be as a guest bedroom. We have the ensuite. All the bedrooms, they have their own ensuite bathrooms. All upgraded, all changed. This is not standard what comes in Trident Grand, including the doors and the painting. They are all upgraded. From here, you have wonderful view to Marina, and this is definitely a safe kids bedroom without access to the balcony, and ready for the kids to come. Built-in wardrobes, enough for a few kids with something. From here we can go to the kitchen, which is a semi-open kitchen, the beautiful double countertop that you can use as a breakfast area, and plenty space to do work and bake and cook beautiful meals for your family. So we have the built-in microwave, oven, Induxi, brand new Siemens hood, wash machine, dishwasher, and fridge, and an extra microwave, just if you want to bake more. So you can close the door and continue to the second bedroom. As I said, all the bedrooms, they have their own ensuite bathrooms. So we have here again our own bathroom, full bathtub, all of them with shower. This is a second bedroom with access to the larger balcony, which allows you to have your second living room practically outside, with beautiful view continuing from this side. All sliding doors and all double glazed. High ceiling, and we will continue from here to the beautiful master bedroom, which has again its own ensuite bathroom and special extension here for the linen and towels and so on. We have, this bedroom is huge. This is a super king bed. It's even lost in that bedroom. We have the built-in wardrobes over there and sliding door access to the family balcony, which can be used as a second living room. Imagine yourself sitting here with the sunset with your family. It's a beautiful place. Private home. Including in this apartment comes double parking, very close to the elevator and entrance, and a huge storage to put your luggage or whatever you don't need. A Christmas tree. So come and enjoy this beauty in Dubai, and call me if you need more information or viewing. Thank you very much for your time, for watching my video.